Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome to another segment of Coach Gurbani's a-sabad-a-day. We conclude the Shabad from Asa Mahalla Panjwa today with the fourth stanza. This is the sixth Shabad in this string on page 458. And the fourth stanza is recited as follows. Asa Mahalla Panjwa Din Rain Suhavari Aie Simrat Naam Hare Charan Kamal Sang Preet Kalmal Paap Tare Dukh Bukh Daridar Nathe Pragat Mag Dikhaya Mil Sad Sange Naam Range Mane Lorinda Paya Har Dekh Darsan Ich Punni Kul Sambuha Sabbe Tare Dinas Rain Anand Anadin Simrat Nanak Har Hare Din Rain Suhavari Aie. So auspicious days and nights are here. Simrat Naam Hare, because the evergreen self, that consciousness now abides in my mind all the time. That makes the days auspicious. Charan Kamal Sang Preet, I am enamored with its lotus feet. The lotus feet of the self, meaning the essence, self-knowledge. So I'm enamored with its lotus feet. Charana Kamal Sang Preet. And what does that do? Kalmal Papatare. Kalmal. Kal indicates fire. Mal is dirt. And when it uses mal, Gurbani, it's referring to the dirt of the ego, which is fire-like. So the Guru says, I'm enamored with its lotus feet. The wretched fire of the ego has abated. Pap. Pap means wicked, wretched, misguided. So that has abated. I'm in love with self-knowledge. And therefore, my consciousness is now evergreen, so to speak. It's expansive. Auspicious days are here. What happens? Dukh Bukh Daridra Nathe. Nathe is to run away. So, dukh, pain, the agony of desire and sloth. Daridra is sloth, lethargy, has left me. Pragat Mag Dikhaya, the self has manifest the way for me. It has revealed itself. So the agony of desire and sloth, that's the fire, the wretched fire that is always burning in us. That abates. I now know the way. Mil Sad Sange Naam Range. Mil Sad Sange, connecting with the Sad, the perfection, the accomplished one, the Guru, which is a dimension of the Har. Naam Range. So the Guru tinges me with virtue. Naam here is virtue, because I need this virtue. The virtue is Kalmal Papatare. You have to allay, quieten down the fire of the ego. That is the virtue that you have to become tinged with. And then Mana Lorinda Paya. then the heart's desire is fulfilled, meaning not that desires are fulfilled, but the one desire that the heart has, which is to find itself. That is fulfilled. Har dekh darsana, the vision of the self, self-knowledge. Ichha punni, it is wish fulfilling. Kulla sambhuva a-sabad-a-day, the entire clan has come along. The clan here refers to the inner clan, which is the senses, because they have to move along with the mind in order for this to happen. Dinasarani anandayanadin, joyous are the days and nights. That's how the stanza began. Simrant Nanak har hare, Nanak abides, Nanak makes a proclamation that I abide in mindful awareness of the self, and that we all should abide in that awareness, in that consciousness that we are seeking out, so that auspicious days might be visiting us. So since this is the conclusion, a little summary will not be out of order. This Shabad, Guru Arjan initiated the Shabad by his telling of the quest, and the quest was for the refuge of the omnipresent consciousness, Har. Purkhapate Bhagavan Taki Saran Gahi. Why did he seek shelter instead of trying to understand it? Because the self is ineffable. So there is this necessity for seeking sanctuary. In other words, just diving headlong into it and embracing its essence. How do you do that? The Guru says, amidst the myriad manifestations and relationships of the world. Mata Pita Sutta Meeta Surjan Ishtabandha Bhajanaya. So you see, the self is reflected in the world through all of these relationships, and on the converse side, it is all of these relationships. But this pursuit entails the cultivation of self-knowledge through the wisdom that is imparted by the Guru. Because the Guru is the Har. It is engaging with us as the Guru. And this point was underscored in stanzas 2 and 3. Self-awareness then illuminates the interconnectedness inherent in all existence. Existence is relational. In this verse, one perceives the elation of realization. The passing of days and nights takes on a very sacred hue. Then Granth Sahib, Aie, because the mind now remains attuned to self-awareness, and the distractions that stem from sensory gratifications subside, the ego subsiding. And that paves the way for a virtuous life that is guided by the teachings of the Guru. The Guru cannot guide you until the self is quietened down. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.